Indus like river system, Brahmaputra river system and Ganga river system. And now we are going to look into the tributaries of Indus detailed manner. Okay, yeah, and relevant MCQs also we have to follow. Okay, yeah, of course it is very interesting geography, and if we read like map based and analytical based, it is very easy, but there are certain names you have to be remembered. Okay, so we are going to discuss right now the main tributaries of Indus. Okay, yeah, and you just look into here, longest tributary Chenab of Indus, and the only trans-Himalayan tributary is Satluj of Indus, and the origin outside India is Indus and Satluj both. Okay, yeah, river forming Ular lake is Jhelum. Jhelum created a lake Ular. Okay, and river allocated India and Pakistan Indus water treaty is like Jhelum Chenab for Jhelum Indus Chenab for Pakistan, Ravi Bias Satluj is for India. Okay, yeah, river known as Chenab is Chenab, delta of Arabian Sea, which is Indus delta. I hope you guys good at this my lesson. Okay, next we are going to discuss the detailed discussion of the tributary of Indus river, tributary of Indus river. Okay, yeah, Indus river tributaries. First Satluj, first river is Satluj, first river is Satluj. Satluj is the river where Rakas Lake in Tibet, okay, near Mansasarovar Kailas range, near Mansasarovar Lake Kailas range, Satluj river took place. Okay, yes, Satluj river mainly origin where Rakas is lake, Rakas Tal Lake, we can call Lake Mansasarovar. The range is Kailas range, Satluj river. The length of the Satluj river is 1450 guys. Length of Satluj river is 1450. Okay, it is longest river of 5 Panch Ab. Panch mean 5, Ab mean they meet. River Panch Ab mean 5 rivers. They can flow India Punjab and Pakistan Punjab. Panch Ab, 5 rivers combination guys. Among 5 rivers, Satluj is the longest river guys. Satluj is the longest river. This is the key point for coming exam. This is key point for coming exam. Okay, yes. The course of the river, they can flow Himachal Pradesh, they can enter into the Punjab, they can join in Pakistan Mithankot, join Indus near Mithankot in the Pakistan. Okay, I hope you guys understand. Punjab 5 rivers, Indus, Satluj, Bias, Ravi, Jhelum. Bias, Ravi, Jhelum, 5 rivers. Satluj is the longest river, 1450 kilometers. That can be first enter into the Himachal Pradesh, later they can reach into the Punjab. After that they can enter into the Pakistan. In the place Mithankot, they can confluence with the Indus river. Okay, I hope you guys clear about it. Satluj also some tributaries, that is the tributaries are Spiti. Satluj also some tributaries Spiti. Okay, yeah, Baspa and Nogli, so on. These are the Satluj river tributaries. These are the tributaries, very small rivers for the Satluj guys. It is covered the states Tibet, China, Himachal Pradesh, India, Punjab, India, later enter into the Pakistan. Himachal Pradesh, two states are in India. First origin is the Tibet and finally reach Pakistan. These are the four areas they can cover, Satluj River. This is important. There is a project, Bakra Nangal project in the Himachal Pradesh and Punjab border. This is the most important for coming exam, guys. Bakra Nangal project is the dispute between Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. There is a dispute between Himachal and Punjab, Bakra Nangal project. Okay, the water sharing of Satluj River. Okay, there is a Bakra Nangal project is took place on which river? Among 5 rivers, Satluj River. Okay, this is important. Okay, yeah. Project is the Asia's highest gravity project. This is also question, guys. Asia's highest gravity project took place on the Satluj River, that is Bakra Nangal project. Okay, yes. And this is hydroelectrical power project. Okay, Napta Jakri. Okay, Karcham Vantu Dam also there, Himachal Pradesh. They don't ask you these names. Okay, only Bakra Nangal is the major. Okay, Indira Gandhi Canal, Rajasthan. Indira Gandhi Canal, Rajasthan. Okay, this water is they can diverted from the Satluj and Bias link. Okay, only Indus tributary originating beyond Himalayas. This is also important. Beyond Himalayas means trans Himalayas. There are 2 rivers originate, that is Indus and Satluj. Okay, Indus and Satluj. Indira Gandhi Canal is the canal in the Rajasthan. Okay, that is the most important irrigation canal in the Rajasthan area, desert area. That is the canal water is take from the Ravi and Satluj, guys. Bias and Satluj. Okay, so if come to the exam point of view, Satluj they can ask you which is the river is trans Himalayan river, where it is origin beyond the Himalayas. First point. Which is Indus tributaries originate beyond Himalayas is Satluj. One question. They can ask you another question, which is about Punjab, 5 rivers, 5 tributaries Indus. Which river is originate outside India? Which river is originate outside India? Tibet, Satluj only. Second, and among 5 rivers, 5 tributaries of Indus, which river is the longest flowing river? 1450 kilometers is Satluj River. Okay, this is third point. Fourth point, how many states it can be crossed? Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, and finally reach Pakistan. This is the fourth point. Guys, this is about Satluj River. Okay, and most important, Bakra Nangal project between Punjab and Himachal Pradesh, which river? Satluj River. Okay, I hope you guys clear about Satluj. I hope clear about Satluj. Take a screenshot. We will going to look forward into the next river. Next, Bias River. Yeah, as you come across doubts are already we completed that is tributary of Indus, but we did not complete detail. Okay, I explained it. Okay, and I am gonna tell you detailed manner, guys. You guys don't miss any single question from the geography itself. Okay, yep. Bias River, their origin is Bias Kund, Rohtang Pass. This is important for exam. Which pass? Rohtang Pass. Which pass? Rohtang Pass. Where? Himachal Pradesh. Where? Himachal Pradesh, near Kullu. Bias River is originate in the Himachal Pradesh, where Rohtang Pass near Kullu. Okay? Yeah. It is 470 kilometers only. Satluj is 1450. 1000 kilometers more longer than Bias. Satluj is the more longer than Bias. Okay, courses, it can flow Himachal Pradesh, Kullu place, and it can be reached Punjab, Amritsar, okay, joins Satluj at Harike. Okay, yeah. Tributaries of Bias, they don't ask you guys. Tributary of Bias, Bias is the tributary of Indus, that is enough. State cover Himachal Pradesh, Punjab. Satluj can cover Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. Projects Pandom Dam, Himachal Pradesh, and Pong Dam, Pratap Sagar, Himachal Pradesh, Bias Satluj link project, and exam pact, it flow entirely within India, never enter Pakistan. This is important, guys. This is important for exam point of view. All Indus tributaries are almost enter into the Pakistan, but Bias only flow in India only. They never enter into the Pakistan. Bias never enter into the Pakistan. Okay, yeah. It is actually flow in India itself, in Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. Okay, yeah. It is about 470 kilometers. Okay, they can Rohtang Pass is the important. Rohtang Pass is the important, where Himachal Pradesh, which is produced Bias River. Bias is the smallest river at about 470 kilometers only. Okay, I hope you guys understand this about a small river Bias, which is tributary of Indus. Yeah. And next guys, next, yeah, competitive exam, actually competitive exam is different, guys. Somebody good at geography, somebody good at polity and economy. These are all the general subject. It is not a rocket science, but consistency, memory and concentration, IQ level are the most important. What not to do, read, what are the areas you have to consume the time is the most important. Competitive exam kill the people, guys. Actually competitive exams kill the people. As soon as much earlier you have to crack it, otherwise don't delay the years of time. Don't delay of your productive time. Don't waste time for the competitive exam for the long years. 1 or 2 years enough for any competitive exam. If you don't crack it, you are not there. You have to believe early exit. Early exit is the most important during the competitive preparation, guys. Nobody can listen. Me too. I did last most of the productive time. Guys, you have to be smart. Plan B must there in your life. Okay, plan B must there in your life. Yeah, Ravi River. Ravi is the where it is origin, Kullu Hills. Okay, where Himalayas. Okay, where in the Himachal Himalayas. It is about 720 kilometers. It is about 720 kilometers. There is a question forming, guys. Ravi, Bias, Chenab, Jhelum, Satluj, these are the 5 Panchab rivers are tributary of Sindh, Indus. They can ask you order from north to south or south to north, one type. They can ask you state wise how many they can origin in the Himachal Pradesh or Jammu Kashmir, state wise. Or they can ask you the length wise also, which is the longest, which is the largest, increasing order or decreasing order. Satluj is the highest, you have to be find it. First one is Satluj is the highest, longest length. Bias is the shortest. Satluj is the longest, Bias is the shortest length. Okay, Ravi is the 720 kilometers. It can be flow through the Himachal Chambal Valley. It can be enter into the Pakistan near Lahore. Okay, the city Lahore based river. River is Ravi. Lahore R, Lahor. Final, the letter R is Ravi. Okay, Lahore city based river is the Ravi. Okay, yeah, Lahore people can drink Ravi water only. Okay, yes. And which is tributaries, they don't ask you. State covered Himachal Pradesh, Punjab in India. finally they can reach Pakistan, Lahore. Okay. Project Ranjit Sagar project dam, this is important project. Okay. And it is Uja multi-purpose project in the Jammu Kashmir, also important, planned it. It is city of Lahore, the exam fact, which is river of Lahore. River of Lahore, which one of the following river is river of Lahore is Ravi. This is the most important for exam point of view, guys. Okay, I hope you understand it. Okay. Next river, Chenab river. Chenab. Okay, yeah, Chenab mean just look into here. It is the confluence of two rivers, Chandra and Bhaga in Himachal Pradesh. Chandra and Bhaga are the two rivers. They come together to form Chenab. Course it is 960 kilometers. 960 kilometers. Okay, it is greater than Ravi. Okay, yeah. As of now, Indus, I'll tell you. Okay, later on. The course flow Himachal Pradesh and Jammu Kashmir, guys. Okay, Chenab is Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, not Punjab. Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. This Chenab is Himachal Pradesh and Jammu Kashmir. Okay, yeah. It is enter Pakistan Sahel Court. Okay, joins Indus at Mithan Court. Of course, all are Mithan Court, they can join. Left bank is Jhelum, right bank is Musdar. They don't ask you the tributaries of Jhelum, Chenab. State covered Himachal Pradesh and Jammu Kashmir, finally reach Pakistan. Salal hydroelectric project in Jammu Kashmir took place in Chenab river. Okay, Baglihar Dam, Dulhasti project important. Okay, Pakal Dul Dam under construction, guys. Exam point, it is the longest tributary of Indus from fertile Chenab plains. Chenab plain of Pakistan. In the Pakistan, it is the longest tributary for fertile land. Okay, yeah. I hope you guys understand. 960 kilometers. Okay. Next, Jhelum. Jhelum, there is a name Vitasta in Rigveda. Vitasta Rigveda. Sindhu of Indus. Beas Vipasa. Ravi, yeah, I forgot, guys. You can Google it. Most important, Rigveda or Vedas, other Vedas, they mention the rivers. Okay. It is 725 kilometers. It is 725 kilometers. Kashmir, Pir Panjal range, it is origin. Pir Panjal range is the important keyword for exam. It is flow through the Ular Lake. This is keyword Jhelum Ular. The lake which is coming from this river, guys. The river created a lake. Okay. Some area of water they can isolate it from the river. They form a lake. That is the lake what we can call. That is the lake Oxbow Lake. Okay. Oxbow Lake. Most important, which one of the following is the example of Oxbow Lake is, this is the Ular Lake. Where the river formed lake mean some water is associated, mean isolate from the main river course, they can form a lake called Oxbow Lake. Jhelum, from the Jhelum river, there is a Ular Lake formed, that is Oxbow Lake. Most important for the geography point of view, guys. Okay, it is joins Jhelum joins Chenab at Trimmu area. Okay, state covered Jammu Kashmir and Pakistan. Only Jammu Kashmir. Jhelum flow only Jammu Kashmir. No Himachal Pradesh, no Punjab. Jhelum can flow only Jammu Kashmir. Okay, this is key point. Mangla Dam, Pakistan administrated Kashmir. One of the world largest lift dam is Mangla Dam. Mangla Dam is based on which river they can ask you guys. That is Jhelum. That is Jhelum. Okay. Kishan Ganga hydroelectric project, India, Jammu Kashmir. That is also important for exam point of view, guys. Okay. Uri hydroelectrical project is Jammu Kashmir. This is also important. Exam fact is forms Ular Lake, the largest freshwater lake in India from the Jhelum river. Okay. I hope you guys understand this. Okay. Take a screenshot. Okay. Yep. Yeah, this is chart Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Chenab. Just look into here. Okay, size first, Chenab second, and Jhelum third, Ravi fourth, and Beas fifth. Lengthwise. Okay, lengthwise. Okay, origin place, length, states they can cover, and joints, Indus, and important project. This is the most important slide, guys. Most important slide. If you don't have time, just look into here enough. Okay. During the exam time, for the revision, you have to look into this slide only. This chart. Okay. That is matter all about forget. You have to look into this enough. Okay. Satluj River, origin Rakastal, Tibet, 1450. It is the first longest. Okay. And states Himachal Pradesh, at Punjab and Pakistan, that can be covered. Joins Indus. The most important project is Bakra Nangal project, Namta Jakti project. Beas that can be 470 kilometers, Rohtang Pass, Himachal Pradesh. Okay, yeah. Three rivers are Himachal Pradesh. This are Himachal Pradesh. This Jammu Kashmir and this Tibet. Okay, yeah. And so state cover, that is important. This is important. Okay, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Ravi Beas, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab. Okay, three are the Himachal Pradesh, Punjab. Chenab is Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Chenab. Jhelum is only Jammu Kashmir. Jhelum is Chenab. Chenab is Himachal Pradesh and Jammu Kashmir, and Jhelum is only Jammu Kashmir. Okay, yeah. This is Bakra Nangal project important. Pongdam Dam is important. Like Mangla is important. Guys, this is about chart for the 5 rivers of Indus tributaries. Okay. Okay, take a screenshot. Yeah, next. PYQ based tricky points. Okay, this is smart work. You need hard work, you need consistency, focus, you need smart work also during competitive exam preparation. Okay, for a long years I have many experience where I lack the faults, like so. I am going to give you my best, guys. Okay, yes. So longest tributary of this Indus, guys, Satluj is the longest river. Satluj is the longest river, but Satluj where it is can meet? Satluj meet at Mithankot, Pakistan. Okay, longest tributary not Satluj, Chenab. You may confuse. Just look into here. Just look into here. This is Indus. This is Satluj. but Satluj where it can meet, it is origin nearby, but it is meet in Pakistan. And up to that Pakistan, it don't meet the Indus. Up to the Mithankot, Satluj don't meet Indus. But just look at here, this is Chenab, but that can be meet here only, nearby, here only. Okay? Yes. Yeah, we will look into that. Okay? We will look into that. 99. Okay? The longest tributary is Chenab. River of Lahore is Ravi. Create a Wooler Lake is Jhelum. Yeah, Jhelum itself create a Wooler Lake. Okay? The only river flowing in India is Beas. Origin behind Himalayas is Satluj. Bakra Nangal project dam on Satluj. Okay? Banglihar dam dispute is Chenab. This is the most important exam point of view, guys. Most important for exam. 5-star important. Okay? Yeah. Okay? Yeah, next we are going to look into this. MCQs, guys. MCQs. Okay? MCQs is the most important, guys. MCQs is the most important. You have to be practice end of the session, every end of the session, at least 20 MCQs. Okay? Yeah. The Indus River originate from Mansarovar Lake, Rakastal Lake, and Rohtang Pass. Rohtang Pass is the Beas, Rakas Lake is Satluj, Mansarovar Lake is Indus. Mansarovar Lake region is near Bokhara Chu glaciers, Tibet. The Indus rises near Lake Mansarovar in Tibet. Rakastal is the origin of Satluj. Rakastal is origin of Satluj. I hope you guys understand this. Okay? Next. Which is the longest tributary of the Indus River? Chenab. Chenab 960 kilometers is the longest tributary. Okay, formed Chenab, Chandra and Bhaga confluence. Chandra and Bhaga confluence. Okay, the longest tributary of the Indus River is Chenab. Okay. Next, the river forming the Wooler Lake in the Jammu Kashmir is Jhelum. Obviously, Jhelum flows through the Kashmir Valley and forms a Wooler Lake. Wooler Lake is the Oxbow Lake. Okay, Oxbow. Oxbow Lake. Oxbow Lake is nothing but, guys, it is the main river flowing, main river like this flowing. Okay, some part of the river water is isolated from this area of the main meanders place. Okay, this create a lake called Oxbow Lake. Okay, yes. And Bakra Nangal Dam is constructed on which river? Satluj River. Obviously, Bakra Nangal project, multi-purpose project, is on the Satluj River, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab border. Okay, there is a dispute between them, Himachal Pradesh and Punjab, guys. Okay, yes. Next, which of the following Indus tributaries flow entire within India? Beas. Beas itself, they can flow in only entire like India, Punjab and Himachal Pradesh. Beas flow only Himachal Pradesh and Punjab, unlike others rivers enter into the Pakistan. Beas is actually, there is no passport for enter into the Pakistan. Okay, yeah, there is a borders disputes. Guys, Indus Water Treaty 1960 allocated which rivers to India for full use? Indus Water Treaty IWT, eastern rivers Ravi, Bias and Satluj to India, western rivers Indus, Jhelum, Chenab are for Pakistan. This is also important question for you guys. Okay, this is actually it is blur. Ek minute. Okay, this is important, guys. Yeah, next, the confluence of Chandra Bhaga, Chenab, Chandra plus Bhaga, Thandi in split in Himachal Pradesh, guys. Okay, next, which river is the river of Lahore? The beauty of Lahore is Ravi. Ravi flows through the Lahore, Pakistan. River of Lahore, this is important. Okay, they might ask you in the coming exam. Mangla Dam built on which Indus tributary? That is Jhelum. Jhelum is the tributary where Mangla Dam, Pakistan administered Kashmir on Jhelum. Pongdam, okay, is located on which river? Bias. Pongdam is the large reservoir in Himachal Pradesh, is on the Bias river. Okay, yes. I hope you guys understand this. No worries. You come across again, which of the following is the correct east-west sequence of Indus tributaries? East-west, they don't ask you, they did not ask you north-south. They did ask east-west, they did not ask lengthwise. Okay, yeah. From the east to west, the Punjab plains, Satluj, Bias, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum. Okay, Satluj, Bias, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum. Yeah, of course, Satluj is the easternmost. Satluj is the easternmost. I am going to show you again. Just look into here. East-west, they did ask east-west, right? Satluj. Satluj is the most eastward, right? This is, Satluj is the most eastward. After that, just look into here, this, Chenab. Okay? After that, just look into here, this. Okay, Bias. After that, Ravi. After that, Jhelum. Okay, east to west, north to south also they can ask you sometimes. Okay, yeah, just look into it. Satluj, Bias, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum. Next, the Indus River finally drains into Arabian Sea. Indus form a large delta, Sindh, Pakistan, before entering to the Arabian near Karachi. Karachi is the easternmost city of Pakistan. Yeah, quick revision keys. Okay, this is also important, guys. Indus origin Mansa Sarovar, Tibet, Satluj at Rakastal, Bias at Rohtang Pass, Ravi at Kullu Hills, Chenab at Chandrabhaga, Jhelum at Verinag. Guys, this is the most important slide. Take a screenshot and read it. Most important slide. This is the most important slide. There is a chance of question. Only Indian river Bias, the longest tributary Chenab, Ular Lake create or Jhelum, river of Lahore Ravi, and big projects Bhakra Nangal and Satluj, Pongdam and Ranjit and Ranjit Sagar and Ravi. Okay, Bagh Lihar, Chenab, Mangla is Jhelum. This is the most important slide, guys. This is the most important slide for coming exam. If you like the video, you can like it and share it, guys. I hope you guys good at this topic. Okay, thank you so much. We will meet tomorrow. Okay, yep.